Floating die. 1. A die mounted on a die holder or a punch mounted in its holder such that a slight amount of motion compensates for the tolerance in the die parts, the work or the press. Number 2. A die mounted on heavy springs to allow vertical motion in some trimming, shearing and forming operations. Flow lines. Patterns in a forging resulting from the elongation of non-homogeneous constituents and the grain structure of the material in the direction of working during forging, usually revealed by macro etching. This is also known as grain flow.